Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Apple CarPlay not working issue on your iPhone 15 series. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining that their CarPlay is not working properly and they don't know what to do. So guys, don't worry, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this CarPlay issue on your iPhone 15. First of all, you have to enable your CarPlay. For enabling your CarPlay, simply go to your settings, then scroll down, tap on General, tap on CarPlay, and you will see here available cards. If you see, then simply enable it and pair it. After pairing it and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to then you have to disable your CarPlay from content and privacy restrictions. Simply go back, then tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy. If it's enabled, then you have to simply go to allowed app, and from here you can disable CarPlay. If it's enabled, then simply disable it, or you can simply disable the content and privacy restriction option. After disabling and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check to make sure Siri is enabled. Siri need to be enabled for CarPlay to work. If not, simply go to settings, then go to search and Siri and search, go to listen for, and if Siri is disabled, then simply enable it. After doing this all you're still facing the same issue again and again and your CarPlay is not working, then you have to make sure that you have to check your USB cables. If not connected wirelessly, check your USB cables. If you are using the original iPhone USB cable, check it to insecure. None of the wires are frayed or broken. If you are using an alternated cable, try a different one. Sometimes just switch out to the cable will solve whether whatever problem you may be expressing. After applying this all solution, you are still facing the same issue and your CarPlay is not working, then you have to restart your iPhone. For restarting your iPhone, simply tap on General, then scroll down and tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check for any update. If your iPhone 15 have any iOS 17 update, then you have to update your iPhone 15 to the latest version of iOS 17 update. So guys, after applying this all solution and you're still facing the same issue and your CarPlay is not working, then you have to try last solution, reset network settings. For doing this, simply go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.